of 9, Johnny Bosco saw a man nobly attired.
In this dream the man said to him, "You will never win the heart." Johnny dazed for a moment, and the man then said to him, then a majestic lady appeared. She took Johnny by the hand. As Johnny looked at the animals, they all turned into gentle lambs. Then when we think of the world today, has his dream and here? No, no, it shall be continued. The wolves will turn to lamb. His dream is all real. Let Don Bosco's dream never fade away. But let it be our dream today.